Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mayonnaise sandwich. A very filling and a healthy breakfast recipe. It's a no fire recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a small bowl, add 1 onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use homemade mayonnaise for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make mayonnaise at home. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Keep this ready. I've taken 2 slices of bread today. Trim the corners. This is optional. Now spread a teaspoon of butter on one slice. Spread a tablespoon of green chutney in another one. Place the mixed vegetable in the butter slice. Spread it evenly. Then top it with the other slice. Give it a slight press and make sure it's even. Cut it into diagonal and it's now ready to serve. Now our mayonnaise sandwich is ready. If you prefer to toast it, you can very well go ahead. It's totally optional. As it's a no fire recipe, you can encourage your kids to try this recipe. Serve it right away with some ketchup and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this mayonnaise sandwich recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.